What are 5 ways to make $100 on Amazon very easily? Okay, now I wanted to make sure all these ways can actually be tried out by different types of people. So I guarantee you one of these ways you will be able to do it. Now, I do say $100, but in reality, one of these ways actually made me around $20,000 back in December. So it's a lot more money than $100, but I'm saying like $100 as a standard. That way you can actually get started and make $100 every day if you wanted to. Okay, so it's not that bad at all. On top of that, I'm going to share with you guys all the details. So it's not going to be like, hey, you do this, you get the money. Now I'm going to give you guys all the details step by step on how to do it. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is TommyBryson. I'm an accountant and I upload videos on YouTube every single day. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. On top of that, do me a favor, smash the like button. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. On top of that, here's a question for you guys, okay? What would $100 a day do for you every single day? Would it change your life, or would it be like, okay, just $100, no big deal, okay? If you ask me, if I were getting $100 every single day, that's an extra $3,000 a month, and the average person makes around $7.25 an hour minimum wage. Okay, so $100 a day is not that bad at all. It's actually good money if you ask me. Okay, so comment down below and let me know, what would you do with an extra $100 every single day? Comment down below, let me know. Now let's get straight into the video and talk about exactly the 5 different ways to make $100 on Amazon every single day, weekly or monthly, whenever you want to, because based on whenever you want to do it, it's very flexible to do. Okay, now the first way to actually do it is by doing reviews for Amazon to get free products. So for example, I've been doing this lately and I've gotten around like 35 products. Some of them range from $20 all the way up to $130. For example, currently I'm using Extreme Rebate to do it, and they're actually the sponsor for this video. So for example, Extreme Rebate is a website where you actually go and you get free products, and then you go on Amazon, you order the Amazon products, and then boom, you get to your house, you do a review on the product, and then the seller sends you the money right back to your PayPal account. So you basically get a product for free because all you have to do is do a review for the seller. But Tommy, why would a seller give me a product for free? And why would this website connect me with those sellers? Because who's making the money here? Okay, well, in reality, it is a win-win-win. Now, why? Basically, the seller will post their entire thing, their entire products on Extreme Rebates. Once they post it there, you request it from them, they accept it. Once you order it and do a review for them, well, now their Amazon ranking actually goes up. Now they have a likely more chance to actually get more sales on their products, because that's how Amazon works. Now, on top of that, Extreme Rebate makes money because they charge the seller a fee, and they also get a fee or revenue whenever you order a product using their links through affiliate links. Okay, so in reality, it is a win-win-win for everyone. But Tommy, how would I do this to make the most money? Well, the way I would do it, the way I'm currently doing also, is basically I would order products that I know I can resell on eBay or back on Amazon. So for example, on the website, they have clothing, electronics, like literally whatever you want. Okay, so for example, I got in all these products right here, from headphones to workout gear to anything that I actually wanted. Even for my Apple Watch, I got this case. Okay, so in reality, I could have gotten a product for $130 for free, and then grab that product and sell it on eBay or Amazon and made $100 just like that. Now, I have a link down below, so when you sign up for Extreme Rebates, you actually get 5 free products and also a special label, so that way when a seller looks at your account, they say like, hey, this guy's trustworthy or this girl's trustworthy, and that way they approve your order and you can actually get the entire thing for free. Okay, that's what I would do if you want to make $100 a day on Amazon for free without having to worry about getting products and buying products to then sell. No, you get these products for free. So even if you sell the product for like $10, you still make a profit no matter what, because you basically got it for free. So there's no way to lose whatsoever. Again, Extreme Rebate, link down below, and also you get 5 free products. Pretty cool if you ask me. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, you can get these products for free and then do garage sales, flea market sales, like whatever you want to do, offer up, Facebook Marketplace. You can sell these products for cash. That way you don't have to worry about the fees of Amazon or eBay. That way you just get cash by getting free products. So that's the way to actually do the entire thing. Again, Extreme Rebate, you also get 5 free products when you use my link down below. Now, the second way to actually make some money on Amazon is by doing Amazon FBA. Tommy, what is that? Well, in reality, Amazon FBA is actually fulfilled by Amazon. FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. The main thing is that if you have products you actually want to sell, for example, you want to sell wallets, okay, but you don't want to ship them out to each customer because it's time consuming. So for example, you get your entire lot of wallets, maybe like 100 wallets, you send it to Amazon, and that way whenever a customer buys your product, Amazon ships it out to them automatically. That way you don't have to worry about shipping. But it is not free. You know it's not. They will charge you some money. But the entire concept is this, guys. They'll charge you between $2 all the way up to $130, depending on the size of the package and how much it actually weighs. So in reality, you'll save a lot of time when you do Amazon FBA. And the different ways to actually do it is this, guys, okay? If you want to, you can sell your personal brand, okay? If you have a brand of wallets you want to sell, you can sell them on Amazon, and Amazon will handle all the shipping. You don't have to worry about your designs and actually creating good product and actually having quality products, okay? On top of that, if you want to, you can actually do retail arbitrage, meaning that same wallet thing here, right? If I go to Marshall's and I see this wallet right here, it's a Kenneth Cole wallet that costs an average around like $30, but if it's on Marshall's for $20 or like $10, I can go there, buy it there, and then sell it on Amazon for a normal retail price. That's what retail arbitrage actually is. When you find something in a retail store for a lower price and you sell it online on Amazon, for example, for a retail normal price and not at a discount. That way, you keep the difference and you make money like that. And you don't have to worry about shipping because Amazon will handle all of that. So if you go to Marshall's, for example, and you buy 100 pairs of sneakers for a discount, you sell them on Amazon for a profit, and Amazon will ship them all out to the customers, and you don't have to worry about it. You have to pay them a fee, of course, but that way you save a lot of time. So that's what Amazon FBA is, and that's exactly how it works. You can do your own brand of wallets and sell them there, or for example, you can actually do retail arbitrage and actually make money like that also. Comment down below, by the way, let me know which one do you prefer. Your own brand of products or just do like retail arbitrage, okay? Comment down below, let me know. Now the third way to make some money on Amazon is actually by doing Amazon dropshipping. So for example, dropshipping is basically when you take a product from Amazon and you sell it on eBay, and when a customer buys it, you go on Amazon, you order it, and you send it to their address instead of yours. Basically, you get to keep the difference. So for example, you sold it for $25 and it costs you $20, you made $5 in profit, just like that. But there is a lot of competition, and I learned how to do it from Paul J. I have a link down below for his channel, so if you want to check it out. But the main thing is this, guys. When I was doing dropshipping, I made around $20,000 in 1 month. So for example, my profit margin was 20% because I was getting gift cards for a very hefty discount. So for example, I made 20K, you times it by 0.20, I made around $4,000 for like 2 hours of work every single day. So divided by 30, divided by 2 hours, I was making around $66 an hour every single day for basically doing no work because I had employees handling everything also for me overseas, and I paid them around $2 an hour because Amazon dropshipping is very complicated, but you can hire people to actually do it for you and you still make money like this, and you pay them like $2 an hour. No problem, bro. It's very easy to do. But I highly recommend, guys, if you want to try this out, because you can make real money, but it is a business, okay? So you have to learn exactly how to do it. So I recommend you go to Paul's channel and check out his free videos if you want to, or buy his course, and that way you learn all the basics. Literally, I took his course in 1 night and learned how to do it, and literally in the next, like, the first month was like 5,000, and then the second month was like 10,000, and then the next month, December, was around 20K in sales. Like this, okay? So it's very easy to do. He can teach you all the basics, okay? So go to his channel, check it out, and tell him I sent you, and tell him you are demanding a discount because I sent you. He'll probably give it to you, okay? He's a very nice guy. So there you go. Amazon dropshipping is a very good way to actually make money on Amazon. Now, the fourth way to make some money on Amazon is actually by doing Amazon logistics shipping. Basically, ship items for Amazon on their behalf to their customers. So for example, you can do it in 2 ways. You can do Amazon Flex. They pay between $18 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. Basically, you go to the warehouse, you grab some packages, and then you go to the customer's house, you deliver it, take a picture, and then boom. Basically, very simple. I have a video on it if you want to watch it. An entire video breaking down how much you can make, how, the cost, and all that fancy stuff. On top of it, you can actually do Amazon vans, where you actually buy or lease vans from Amazon and get their business. But basically, this way, you get vans from Amazon and you get your own employees and you have your own business in a sense. And that way, you grab packages from Amazon every single day and you ship them out to the customers every single day. Okay, now with this, you can actually make between 75K to 300K every single year, which is not that bad at all if you ask me. But you do have to put in $10,000 and get some training, and you have to have at least like $30,000 in liquid assets. I have a whole video explaining every single detail if you want to watch it, link down below. Well, you know, guys, I really like this one if you ask me, because this one is kind of like Uber, but like for Amazon. You can actually make money, very flexible whenever you want to. So you can sign up to the app whenever you want to and just like go out there, get the package and deliver it if you want to. But the business side is more complicated. You have to work every single day, I think, 7 days a week for Amazon with your employees, and that way you make a lot of money though. So it's all about which one you actually want to do. Either you want to have your own business with Amazon, or you want to do flex and do it very flexible whenever you want to, get paid between $18 to $25 an hour, which is not that bad at all. Now, the last way to make some money out of Amazon, by the way, is my favorite way because you make a lot of money by doing this, is actually by doing Amazon affiliates. When you become actually an Amazon affiliate, when you're actually trying to sell Amazon products to people out there on the internet or your friends or family. So for example, if I have an Amazon affiliates account, which I do, I'll tell you about the details later on, but the whole point is if I have a wallet that I want to sell and I have a link for it, I send it to Billy here that wants this wallet. If he buys it with my link, I get some cash back, basically some kickback, a percentage of it, and that way I make money out of it. Now, me personally, guys, I make around $5 when people click on my Audible link to get 2 free books, link down below, okay? Now, when they sign up, they get 2 free books, I get $5, everybody wins, okay? Win, win, win. But the whole point is this, guys. You can be small, you get 2 free books, $5 here and there, no problem. I make like $100 from it every single month. I don't really do anything crazy with it, okay? But the whole point is this: if you want to go big, there's a website called thewirecutter.com. You can search it up if you want to, and they have a whole bunch of products and listings and reviews for like everything. And when you go there, they have like, you know, like the best headphones, the best camera gear, like the best everything, like the best cooking gear, a whole bunch of things, okay? But the whole thing is when you go to the website, they have a whole bunch of products and they're all linked to Amazon and Walmart and different providers. But the whole point is every time you click that link and you buy something, they get paid some money. Now, this website actually got bought out a few years ago for around $30 million. So imagine this. Imagine you have a website like reviewing products, like saying like, hey, these are the best headphones, like the Apple headphones, buy them from Amazon, it's cheaper, whatever. When people buy those products, imagine then later on selling that website for $30 million. A lot of money. So my tip is this, guys. If you want to scale it up, build a website, do reviews, be honest, and provide honest, non-biased reviews, and then put your link in there. When they buy it, you will get paid. By the way, you do one review, it's there forever. So whenever anybody goes and searches it up, well, they constantly give you a stream of income of, hey, I just bought it, tomorrow I buy it, tomorrow I buy it, like whatever it is. You constantly get income from doing work once. By the way, you can actually hire writers and reviewers like on Upwork and Fiverr. So that way you actually outsource the entire like writing and reviews and stuff like that if you don't want to do the whole thing, okay? But that's basically it, guys. Amazon affiliates is basically my favorite one. I make $100, but eventually I will be building a website myself to do this exact same thing. So stick around for that also. So comment down below, guys, and let me know which one of these 5 ways is your favorites and why. On top, if you ask me, guys, it's all about grabbing something small and scaling it up to whatever size you want to scale it up to. So if you want to go crazy with affiliates and you go like from here to here, you can if you want to. You just have to put in the work. So it's all about like scaling it up as much as possible and making as much money as you can, so you get a piece of the Amazon pie and make some real money out of it. Oh, and don't forget, guys, link down below for extreme rebates. When you sign up for extreme rebates, you get 5 free products, and that way you might be able to get products, for example, like $20, $30, $50, $100. If you get 5 products that cost $100, so that's like $500 just like that for doing one review on Amazon. Not that bad at all. So guys, as always, if you enjoyed this video, like the video, we appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, if you have any questions whatsoever, just DM me on Instagram at TommyBryson. And before I go, if you want to watch a full video on extreme rebate and how it works, click this video right here. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, click my face right here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and peace.